What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be drawing milk and cereal. Okay, so first I am gonna go draw the milk first. So grab a ruler if you have. So I'm using, okay, I'm not gonna put it so big, putting it like that. Notice it? Okay, good. Okay, then I want to do this. Okay, let go. Okay, perfect. I'm good at this. Okay. Okay. Then, okay. Oh, yes. We have. Okay, and then. Okay, now from here. Okay, wow. I'm good at this. Okay. Then I'm gonna do like this. Okay. Okay, I think I'm okay. Okay, then I think I'll go like. Oh my god, I'm so good at this. You should really give me an. Okay, so I've done this. Now I just have to do. So I'll be just doing like, there'll be some kind of thing here. Okay, then I'll just write it. Okay, milk. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like this and here. Then I'm just gonna put him like this. Okay, now for the cereal, because who drinks milk without anything? That is not you, right guys? Because I do not like that person. Just kidding, I'm not like that. Okay, anyways, so the cereal, I'm gonna just do the bowl like this, and then oh god, okay, let me just erase this. Okay, wait guys, I'm just gonna go. Okay, I don't know what I did, but I don't want it. Okay, I'm just gonna erase. I'm gonna erase this on it. Okay, I'm good. Good at this. Okay, and then I'm gonna just do the leg first. Okay. Okay. So guys, do not put your hand here because the thing will be holding hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this and then. Okay, the other arm, just wait. I'll finish that. Oh my god, why did I do that? Okay, I'll be just. Is this? Okay, I'll be this. Okay, I will just make the cereal hold the spoon because you're not gonna eat it with the hands, right? So I think. my god. And eyes. Okay, oh my god. What is it? Okay. Well, oh my god, how can I do that? Okay, I can. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna use the. Oh god, done. Okay. Yeah. Okay, can already. Okay. Okay, guys. So this. Nope. I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing. Oh my god. Okay. So guys, this is my milk and oh, I forgot that. How can I forget that? Okay, so then the spoon. Okay, spoon is done. Okay, spoon is done. Okay, spoon is done. So guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment below. Bye.